Also new to 566, we have added some button focus logic. And what that means is on your screens here, not only can you say when buttons are active or not active, but you can now add criteria to when the logic has been found or not found. And as things are converted over, some of our standard screens, you will see that some of that enable and disable logic has been put in place. So here I'm looking at the OE pick management screen. And this is going to be, or could be, a little bit different for your users. So in the OE pick management screen, if I open up a 565 version of the pick management screen, here it is, and you'll notice that every button is highlighted. So I haven't done anything other than open the screen. All my buttons are lit up, and that's how 565 worked. With 566, there is logic behind a lot of the buttons, and one of those is when they open the screen, these buttons aren't necessarily all lit. So there is a focus, and there is also a checked row enablement to these buttons. This, for the pick management screen, isn't lit, but when I check a row, here I'm choosing focus, and it's not doing anything because it's set up to be a checked row. I check the box, and you'll notice my available buttons are then lit up, and I can actually process those buttons. A new area to see that, where you have a focus row or an enablement role, and you have control of this in the Agility Designer if you are someone who customizes your own screens. In the OE desktop console, which is new to 566 and covered in the What's New. But in here, you'll notice, I'm going to look at my status 1 orders here. You'll notice that my ribbon bars aren't necessarily lit up for what I want to do. But if I want to edit this particular order here, you'll notice as soon as I get focus on this, my edit button just lit up. And if I hover over that button, it's telling me that it is a focus row, and it's only going to work on status 1 orders. So that is why that particular one lit up, because it follows the criteria that's there. My close button isn't lit up though, so how would I get that close button? If I hover over that close button, it is a checked row, and it's status 1 orders. So another thing might be tell your users to hover over the button and see if they get a help screen. So the minute I check a box, you'll notice, because it works on checked rows, close lit up, and edit, because I can't open more than one, isn't lit up here. So that ability is gone. And I still have focus, so edit is there. That is new to some of the look and feel that your users may experience, and so you may have to help them with that focus row and why they suddenly see buttons that aren't lit up. They may have to check a box, or they may have to do focus.